What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. Guys, I got a transformation for you today. We're going to cut all of this off down to a number 5 and do a high bald fade. And we will be using the new Babyliss Gold FX Boost Plus. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, we're going to start off with a number 5 on the Gold FX Boost Plus. I'm just going to cut most of this bulk down out of the way, and then we're going to take the clipper in every direction to make sure that the top is cut down nice and even before we come in and start our fade. Now I want to prepare my sides for my fade, so I'm going to start by connecting the sides to the top. With the number 3, guys, it's all the way closed, and I'm just gonna flick up off the parietal ridge into the number 5 that we started with. Then we're gonna come underneath that with a number 2 and cut the rest of the side down to a 2, and we can start our fade. Then we're gonna know that all we have to do is fade up into a 2, which should be nice and easy. Now for some reason I chose to set my bald guideline in with the clipper, so it is all the way closed. We're going to set a nice straight around bald guideline. Then we'll come in underneath and bald all this hair out, come in with the shaver, get it down to skin, and we can start our open section. Now we're gonna do our first step with the lever all the way open. We're gonna go up about 3/4 of an inch. We're gonna set in a nice clean guideline. Go ahead and make sure this whole section is consistent, and then we can start to fade that line out from the bottom. Now we're gonna start to take this bottom guideline out, so we're gonna start by flicking it up with the clipper all the way closed. Then we'll go halfway open above that, and we set the section in with the lever all the way open. Now you guys can see there's a little hint of a line from our bald section, maybe from our shaver or from our trimmer, so I'm just coming back with that same trimmer to make sure we have a nice transition before we keep working our way up. Now we're back to the clipper, guys. Now it is actually on the 2nd notch. Then we're gonna bump it to the 3rd notch and take this line a little bit further, and we should have this section blended together. Then we can start with our lever open and attack any dark spots that we see that are left behind before we move on. Next up, we're coming in with the 1 guard all the way open, and we're going to start to flick up into that 2. So we don't want to leave a drastic guideline, but it is okay if we see a guideline here. We will come in with our 1.5 and take that guideline out. Now you can see we're in with the 1.5. It is halfway open, and we're just going to clean up anything between the open 1 and the closed 2 that's above it. Now we can start to attack that bottom line that is left with the closed 1. You can see we're going to go through the line and above the line right under where we did the 1 open, and that should start to lighten that line up, and then when we come in with the half guard, it will take it the rest of the way out. Now last but not least, we're going to come in with our half guard. Guys, this is one of the lines people have the most trouble with. This half guard is not going to obviously be cutting hair. It's just going to slowly but surely be getting this line together. So we're just going to go through it. It is halfway open. We're going to lighten up that line. If we need to close it, we can. And if we need to go back to our open clipper, we can as well. Now we're back in with our open clipper. The half guard wasn't quite getting it flawlessly, so I want to come back in with my open clipper and get out anything that's left behind. Now we're going to come in and get his front hairline together. You guys can see he has a pretty straight hairline. In the corners it kind of hangs down. In the middle it kind of goes over to his right side. We're just going to cut as little off as possible while making a nice clean straight line across. So I'm going to start in the middle. I'm going to go to the left side, hit that 90 in the corner, go ahead and get the vertical bar together, and then we'll take it all the way across the right side, get that all together, and then we can come in and do some color enhancement and some razor work. Now we're gonna come in using our Klutch enhancement card and the Tomb45 no drip. Guys, this is the Onyx Black. You can see his hair is pretty dark, so we're gonna use the Onyx Black. We're gonna spray a light coat. You see I pull the card away, check and see what it looks like, and then we can come in and add a little bit more. We'll work the vertical bar across the front hairline to the other side, get that vertical bar together, then we'll come in and hit it with our razor and get it nice and sharp. Now we're using the triple cartridge razor from Tomb45. Guys, this is the fully exposed blade. You can see how much the blade is sticking out. I'm going to stretch the skin, get the vertical bar nice and sharp. We're just pulling the blade to the line that we already did, making sure that it's sharp. Then we'll work our way across the front hairline, hit the other vertical bar, and you guys can check out the finished product. Alright guys, that is the finished cut. I hope you guys liked it. High bald fade with a 5 on top with the Gold FX Boost Plus clipper and trimmer. If you guys liked the video, do me a favor, smash that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn on your bell notifications so you guys don't miss any more content from me. As always guys, I appreciate all of you that watch my videos, and I'll catch you guys next time.